describe your first impression?
Oh, it's crazy. Hot, busy, and just so much to take in. It's just buzzing.
Really enjoyed the meal. All the meal I had, had a different characters, and I'm very impressed with the presentation and the flavor and the ingredients they used to produce the lovely dish, all different.
I really enjoyed seeing was knowing how to properly Beijing duck, because the way I perhaps did it before was very different.
I really enjoyed the Shanghai dumplings. The meat inside was really lovely and the soup had a really nice taste within the dumpling.
It's just very exciting to be able to have that opportunity to realise what's unique about each culture. So it's things that we take for granted in our own country, and when you speak to other people it's just totally new and mind-boggling. But then vice versa, when you hear about what they've been doing in their culture, that cha-cha-tay is supposedly similar to a pub culture from speaking to some of the people.
The wet market, I didn't realise that the fish would be so alive, so they are pretty fresh. It had quite a pungent smell to it, but it was so nice to see the local culture and see where the locals shop.
I saw the tongue of pork and all the internal organs as well as heart, but it was really good. Not much food is wasted in this country.
Wet market was more real than I expected it to be. I knew there was going to be lots of live animals, and the smell at first, it was quite overpowering at first, but then you do get used to it.
I learned so much about this company today by visiting a factory in China. Although I use a lot of Lee Kum Kee sauces, but I actually didn't know about the company much. And then the visiting here just gave me so much information. I just realized this company doesn't just focus on making products and make profit, but also they try to contribute a lot to the society, which is great, isn't it?
I particularly liked the concept of the chicken wings, because we portion the chicken in the GCSE lessons, and quite often there isn't many options of what to do with the chicken wings apart from just marinate them. So showing them how to do another knife skill and then stuffing them with something was really innovative, and I think that'll be useful.
Prawns have been a highlight of mine here, they're massive.
And the dim sum the next day, I think some of the dishes there were my favourites.
Chili beef stew.
I did really enjoy the stir-fried noodles. I enjoyed all of them actually, to be honest.
When I heard about this Hong Kong trip, it was too good to be true, but it was really great, and I definitely want to recommend other food teachers to go on to this teachers program, and I have a great opportunity if they can grab this chance.
I feel really honoured to be able to do this, and if you see it, it might seem like too far removed to think that you could actually be here, but you can, and great things do happen, so it's been amazing.
I would really suggest that everyone applies and and go to the CPD. Even if you don't win, it's amazing. You learn so much at Ming-Ai Institute. Everyone we've met has been lovely. The restaurants have been beautiful. The different places we've been to visit, Lee Kum Kee have been so accommodating. It's just been amazing. It's been the trip of a lifetime, so I definitely encourage people to apply.